Okay, and we are back playing another Sushi Cat and that fat thing over there and the dancing sushi. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Didn't I already do that? What? What? Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording here because apparently it did not do anything. It didn't save it or anything. I probably would just do that all the time. So yeah, I believe we were on this one and we had to retry. So yeah, we're doing it now. Ugh. Notice all the sushis, they're alive, they're smiling. So shy. Yes! Oh no, he didn't. Oh no, he didn't. Come on! Sushi. Sushi little cat trying to get a girl. Oh, that was epic. Oh, dude, this is my final cat. I gotta make it worth stuff. Come on, cat. Come on, cat. Come on, cat. And one. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, this one looks hard. Oh, never mind. I thought it was. Sweet. I have two already. Oh, boo. Dang. Boom. No. Final cat, we gotta do this. Sushi style. Oh. Okay, you gotta try again. Dang. No! That sucks. Oh, this is getting boring. Yes. Oh, yes. Open up a coconut. Open up a coconut. Oh, we still did it. Look, it's all happy. But that one is dead or something. And if you're doing this, you can look at the ads if you want a Sushi Cat on your iPhone, or if you want play the original Flash game of Sushi Cat and the Honeymoon. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm flying the honeymoon or not. Wait, what? I'm on 6 already? How? How? Oh, I clicked new game instead of continue. Such a retard. Okay, well, we're gonna end this episode here of Sushi Cat episode 2. Bye bye. Subscribe!